Good morning, my name is Vanessa Toole, and today I will be speaking to you of the southern pigtail. Imagine yourself in a distant world when you have found that many of the animals, plants, and insects that are known in the present are not known in this distant world. Imagine yourself in a setting, in a world where the altering of the environment of the natural resources resulted in the diminishing prosperity of these different species. Does this distant future really seem that distant now? Sadly, one of these species that is not flourishing is the southern pigtail. In fact, it's endangered. Its extinction will occur if it's not protected or if its circumstances are not improved. For the most part, most people have not heard of the southern pigtail. Many of the facts concerning their natural history is not known presently. However, they are thought to be alike to related species. According to the University of Georgia Museum of Natural History, they are naturally sessile. They are found attached to the sand or gravel bottom of clean rivers and creeks. They also state them to be filter feeders, which feed upon plankton from their aquatic environment. What happens is that they carry water from the habitat into their shells to specialized regions. Consequently, the water is filtered over the gills and food particles are trapped. In the end, the food is digested. In the past, this mussel was found all through the Coastal River. In addition, the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service species profile states that they were found in the drainage of the states of Georgia, Tennessee, and Alabama. Today, current surveys did not come across the southern pigtail throughout the majority of that historic range. The small handfuls they were able to find was within the Conestoga River. As for the southern pigtail's conservational status at this time, they're listed as endangered by both state and federal agencies. Normally, they do this 5-year review, which is conducted to make certain that the listing classification under the Endangered Species Act is correct. In 2009, the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Services released their latest review. In this review summarized that the 11 mussel species, which include the southern pigtail, are either threatened or they're endangered. Among those that were endangered is the southern pigtail. This 5-year review showed that the status, although it did show some improvement in the status of the southern pigtail, threats to these species still remain, and no change in their classification is recommended. You may ask yourself why. Well, the southern pigtail is extremely vulnerable to habitat changes. It is suggested that the primary factors to the declining number of the southern pigtail is found to be pollution, sedimentation, and habitat degradation. In accordance to this, the USACE Threatened, Endangered, Sensitive Species Protection and Management System informs that the main causes of the decline in this species is for the reason of destruction of habitat. It also said that it was canalization, impoundments, and pollution. Causes of the decline of the number of these species may also be a result of the loss of host fish, which are considered necessary to the transformation of these species. At this point, no conservation plans have been created for the southern pigtail. A number of people are inclined to imagine there are a few endangered species. However, there are a great number of them around the world. Though some improvement, as I mentioned before, the southern pigtail remains endangered. When we imagine this distant future, we would like for today's animal to continue being known and no longer endangered. Thank you.